from, but whoever it's from, thank you so much. I think this is from Gabby. She literally told me.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh. She literally told me. She was like, ask me for a friend. Which color?
Oh,
Hey!
Wow.
Now we're matching. Are we the same size?
Matching na kayo ni mami mo.
Period. What did they look? I'm gonna take a picture. Oh, Francisco family.
Oh. Money. What is it? It's a gold.
It's a book! Yay! This is from Ariza.
Oh my god.
Oh!
She likes that.
I wanted this. It's called Normal People.
The lady.
Oh, she got me. Oh, she got. Wait! Oh,
fancy.
That's crazy.
That's gold.
This pen?
From who?
Tita Guada and Tito
What do you
Noel.
think? What do you think?
I don't think it's a watch.
Sabi sa'yo eh. Pen?
I think the Dior was just the wrapping.
Necklace.
What
is it?
Oh my.
I told you it's a next.
It's a braid.
Using Hermes.
Really?
Yeah, her bag is.
What?
Oh, see? May money.
Oh. Aww. From Ate Angela. Oh, she's so. At Tita Ma.
Another money.
More money.
Lots of money.
Wish you all the best on your special day.
Oh.
From Tita Marvy. Tell me, I already have that.
Oh.
Oh, this is pink.
From where?
From
Tyro. Open it.
You got you the wallet?
Yeah. Wait.
Oh,
Is it?
It's exactly the one that I want.
Oh,
Who gave it to you?
Tyro. Oh.
Ay, nakikita ko sa Facebook.
From where?
From Isabella Milano. Thank you to whoever gave this.
Okay.
Ayun, may parang banana.
Oh, Selena and
Collection
Anderson
of
are so. They literally made this together.
Oh my god, that's so expensive.
Thank you, Selena. I think this is from
Hey.
Tita Mel. Aww. Yes, a cardigan.
Cardigan, oh, diba?
Thank you. Because he asked me on Instagram.
One more.
Thank you, Anvin.
Ayan.
I don't know who this is from. It's really cold too. Cat or Vishal.
Kanino galing?
It makes me something for my birthday.
I know.
So,
Nabili min
Zora! What's this?
Max and the Sibs.
Thank you, Max and the Sips. 10-day prayer. 9.
Ayan.
From Alcazar family.
Aw.
Yay! Thank you po. Yay! They're so cute. This is my favorite set in the world. Number 68. Sol de Janeiro. Period.
Thank you, ate and
Thank you,
kuya.
Kuya and Ate. I love you.
From who? From who?
From Char and Clark. What is this? My car! They're pigs. Oh!
Oh, for Dumbo. It's not for you. Too bad.
Slay. I love it already. No.
What is it?
Stuffy. I might have to
They
regender
know.
my car.
I know.
I think Dumbo's a
Oh.
girl. Oh.
He's an anime. Oh, maybe she designed that.
Animator siya.
Thank you, ate. Yeah,
No,
she's
she
anime.
actually bought this.
She's
It says
animator.
made in Korea. Made in Korea. Sorry.
I gotcha.
My bad.
Oo, alam nila yun. Maglalagay ba yun?
From Kuya Anthony.
Galing sa...
It was in here. I think it's from Francis or Elliot. What is it?
From where?
Francis and Elliot.
Oh,
The
okay.
Francis, like the Francis. Okay, let's open this one. Itala? No.
From Pass Away.
My coworker, Alina. Oh, I don't want to read it. My sweet little Andy.
I know. Your coworker is so cute too, Neneng.
Wow. Who is this from?
From who?
Jen? Jen and Kaylee? Gina? Hey, okay, Sephora.
From who?
Kaylee? Kaylee and Gina? I don't know. I don't know who this is from. My first $100 bill of the day
Who?
Kanina galing.
from Tito.
Tita Lynn, Tito Lynn.
Lynn.
Oh.
Tita Lynn. Tita Lynn! Oh, thank you po! Wow, this
Sila
is a lot of
Lynn
money.
From where?
From Francis and Elias.
Wow, I kind of forgot.
Jelly cat?
Kanina, ang cute.
Francis.
She likes Fran.
Wait! No way! Sorry. It's Ariana Grande! Like a little AirPod. Like you open it, looks like an AirPod case. It smells really good. It's vanilla. We'll open it later.
Is that on your wish list?
Yeah.
So they see your wish list? Very well.
Oh no. It was this and then another one. But I told Frances that I wanted because I think she had this and her room smelled like it.
Mama, matulog ka na. Okay ka na. Baka mag-ano yung tulog mo. Balik ka na ng tulog.
Oh, A. Okay.
Naghihintay ka ng pera? Ang ilan? Your Lola is waiting about the money.
Okay, this is. Thanks so much, Kat. Eating pad. Yeah, period. It's, what is it?
Wala sa mundo niya.
What is that?
Air for my car. Keychain. Whoa.
Candle. Oo.
Oh, that smells good.
Mayroon ka na namang lululim.
Kanino yan?
This is from Trade for You.
Ang cute naman ang card mo.
Holy night.
Name that.
Ang dami kulit. Card.
Wait, I think this is Ariana. Thank you, Tita Ryan. Thank you, Tita K. Happy birthday. Dear Ate, you're the best ate in the whole world. Oh, baby.
Ano?
Bracelet.
Wow.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
Is that a heart?
Laglag na.
Yeah, no, it's a Tita and Ariana. Wow.
Tita K.
Okay, thank you. Workers are my friends. Family.
Ano yan? Stanley Cup?
Yeah.
Baby or hopping?
Baby pink. I knew it. I knew it. Unboxing.
Because it's different. What?
Oh my god. All day hydration. My Esther Kim.
Aww, our Esther Kim.
Yes.
My
My other daughter.
Yeah. So the thing is, and
As
I've been,
long as you're here.
and I've
friend.
been spending all of my money on dance right now.
Ano
So I, instead of like trying to like buy something like extremely high end, I
No.
put a lot of thought into this.
Stop. I'm so scared.
It's okay.
Wait, let me finish.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Jelly cat.
Oh my god, that's the one that you want. Oh my god.
Exactly the one that I wanted.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bashful bunny.
That's the one. That's not the one that I want to buy it.
So the thing is, what is it? And then you still have like a lot of blessings ahead of you. And then also like,
So cute. I want to try it.
it's free. Tita, I forgot what was the
Tita Ing.
This is from Tita Angel.
Thank
All the
you.
way from
Thank you.
Victoria.
All the way from Victoria. The all of Tita Paul and Bradley. Thank you po. Birthday love Tita Tina. Thank you po.
Ending is
Ano yung from who?
Happy 18th birthday apo ko. From,
Tita Jo.
yeah, Lola Josie. Aww.
Thank you, Lola
Thank you
Josie.
po.
Mary.
I'm Mary.
This has been tough though.
Yeah, I literally.
Kanino galing yan?
Tita Winnie.
Mm.
Thank you po. Wishing you. Hey! And then, from Tita Winnie.
Mm.
Thank you
Galing.
po. That's a birthday. Thank you.
50 na
Let's
mayroon
go.
pang ano, may card pa.
From who?
Na
Ano ba yan?
Phil? Family?
Oh, at Tita Karina.
Aww. Thank you po.
Wow.
Thank you, Tita Karina.
From.
Thank you po. Love, Tita Mira.
Oh, Tita Mira.
Sinong Mira?
That's me.
Oh,
From Tita Agnes and Tito
yung nagbigay ng ano.
Tito Romy. Oh, Tita Marcy.
Marcy.
Thank you po. Hey!
Oh,
Hey!
big time talaga. 2K.
Thank you, Tita. Don, Tita, love you. Pochi, Cortez, Tongo family, Lucero.
Kanino galing?
Family.
Teka lang, ano?
Thank you, Cortez family.
18 bills din yan.
You're the best. I'm really shocked. El Maranza. Joyce and Tita Joy.
It's like Esther.
Yung message na lang ni Tita Julie.
I can
Is it
feel
like a
breath.
lip pumper or something?